Welcome to our channel Fun Quest Learning. Today we are going on one more space adventure to learn about a new topic, dark matter. You've got a spaceship, a spacesuit, and a helmet with a transparent visor. You can see the stars all around you twinkling in the darkness. Earth is special because it's the only planet we know that has life. But sometimes our planet feels really small, especially when we think about just how much of the universe is out there. Our solar system is made up of 8 planets and 1 star. And there are probably a lot more systems just like ours scattered throughout the Milky Way galaxy. Well, there's one thing that makes our galaxy pretty unique. The Milky Way is full of dark matter. It makes up about 85% of the universe's total mass, but we've never seen it directly. Scientists know it's there because of the way it bends light and influences the movement of galaxies. Without dark matter, galaxies would simply drift apart. But here's the twist. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, so it's completely invisible to us. We can only observe its effects on things that we can see. For example, we can see how it warps the path of light coming from very distant galaxies. Light travels in a straight line unless something with mass gets in the way. In that case, the light will bend around the mass, just like when you drop a pebble into a pond and the water ripples outward. This bending of light is called gravitational lensing, and it happens when there is so much mass in a particular area that it creates a sort of well in space-time. Because dark matter makes up a lot of the mass in galaxies, it can create these wells, which can magnify and distort the images of things that are much farther away. By studying these effects, scientists can learn about the distribution of dark matter in the universe. But we still don't know what dark matter actually is. One idea is that it's made up of exotic particles that we just haven't detected yet. To find them, researchers have built massive underground detectors deep in abandoned mines. They are looking for the moment when one of these hypothetical dark matter particles collides with one of the normal matter particles in the detector, producing a tiny flash of light or a small amount of heat. So far, they haven't found anything. The experiments have placed limits on how massive the dark matter particles can be and how strong the force of gravity is between them. But each time they set up a new experiment, they come back empty-handed. The mystery only grows deeper, and that's not all. If we had a sample of this mysterious substance, it might help us solve 2 of cosmology's biggest problems. First, we know that the universe began with the Big Bang, but we don't know what caused it. We also know that the universe will eventually start to expand at a faster rate until everything drifts apart. That's known as the heat death of the universe. But in between those 2 points lies another big mystery. How did we get here, and why is the universe expanding in the first place? One idea is that there's some kind of energy driving the expansion, but that seems to violate the laws of physics. Another possibility is that dark matter is the culprit. If we understood it better, it could answer some of our deepest questions about existence. It could tell us where we came from and where we're going. Or maybe it won't. Maybe dark matter is just another dead end in the long line of scientific enigmas that have puzzled humans since we first looked up at the sky. Either way, the search for answers will keep us looking up. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. It motivates us for making new videos.